You got some hiccups?
Oh!
Oh, a sneeze.
Are you gonna hiccup? It's like the cutest noise ever. She's farting. Or she's shitting in her pants right now.
No, that's just hiccups.
I can't, my hand is on her butt.